Hey guys, it's Dave here with Super Easy Mods, and today we're going to be replacing the latches on our Miata soft top. Let me tell you the reason why I'm replacing these things today. Not only are the ones on the car 20 years old, but the main reason I'm replacing these things is because last month in December, I attended my first track day in this thing. And I was heading down the back straight, doing 130 kilometers an hour in this thing. It's not fast, I know, it's an MX-5, you know, give it a break. Anyway, I was accelerating. I was doing 130. I was concentrated, my eyes were focused on that apex, trying to get that. And just as I was going, BAM! Thinking, what the heck's going on? Did the engine blow up or something? And I look up and you can hear all this like wind noise coming into the car, and I thought, oh, did my roof fall off? What's going on? Is there a hole somewhere? And I look up and the latch came loose on the left-hand side. So the roof was actually half twisted, sort of. It was enough where it made a big bang. It was scary going those speeds. And I didn't know if I should continue driving, but I think I did the best choice of slowing down and heading off the track to try and get it sorted. Reclipped it, managed to complete the track day, but I was always driving a little bit careful, hoping that didn't happen again. So today we're going to replace these so that doesn't happen again. So these things were supplied by MX-5 Mania. Thanks guys. Let's get started. Tools we require today, a couple of screwdrivers. These are Phillips. You want a screwdriver with a large tip. All right, let's get started. We have 3 screws that we want to undo. Take off the old unit, put the new one on, re-screw it in, and we should technically be done. Let's get going. Okay, that's the old one. This probably came undone is the back here. That lock doesn't actually do anything. See? That's probably the reason why the roof popped off. Okay, so it has a couple of these dowels. The dowels go in the holes, and it should align the unit up. There we go, perfect. Put the screws in. Give it a bit, tighten the screws up. All the power you've got. Power of the Miata. That's means not too much. There we go. And it's done. See, now it doesn't actually come out, doesn't actually come loose until you press that latch. So there's the same problem where the latch doesn't actually stop it from, it doesn't actually catch it, so that's what causes your roof to fly off. Do the new latch. Line them up with the dowels. And the pins. And that, my friends, is a job well done. Pretty simple, altogether 6 bolts, 1 screwdriver, 2 latches. Now I can hit the racetrack again and not worry about my roof flying off, and stay safe, guys. See you next time for another super easy mod.